Hi guys, so I have a collective haul for you guys. I'm gonna show you all what I got for Black Friday, and I'm gonna show you some things that I got before Black Friday and after Black Friday. Start off strong with this puffer jacket. It comes down to my knees. I got this from Polo, and this is actually from the kids Polo, but that's a perk of being tiny. Yeah, it's so warm. Love this. This one I was on the fence about getting because I don't know how I feel about walking around with an American flag around in this here economy. I don't know. I don't know about y'all, but we for the culture around here. I don't know about wearing this, but we'll see. Next, I got this really cute cardigan. Love this. It's this baby pink. It's like the cable knit cardigan, and all of these are in kids sizes. They're all extra large, so I got an extra large in everything. Yeah, extra large, and it fits really nice. I could have gotten the large, but I got the extra large just so I have room for it to shrink a little bit if it does. But yeah, I just think this baby doll pink is so cute. I cannot wait to wear that. I got some socks. They come in the navy and white, and the white with the little navy. Yeah, got some outfits planned. That's why I got these. I wouldn't just, and I'm not gonna tell you prices unless like somebody wants to buy something, then you could ask me, I'll let you know, but I'm not gonna share prices. All of this stuff was like half off though. All of the things that I got from Polo are half off. I got this skirt. They didn't have the skirt in the store, but I saw it online, and I called to see if I can order it, and I had to call a couple places because the thing with Polo, like if you call to order something, they have to have at least two in that, well, more than two in a store. I think you have to have like, I don't know what the number is, but I think if it's like two or less, two or one, then you can't order it. So yeah, I had to call a couple of them. I think the one in Virginia was able to send me this one. It is so cute. It was worth all the calls. This is herringbone print, and it's like just this pretty color. So perfect for the winter and fall. Yes, love, love, love this. And then I got this. I'm pretty sure this is boys because I got this in large, and it's still kind of big. But yeah, I think I got this in the boys. Still kids, but yeah. I got this to wear like with skirts and like jeans and stuff. Just something simple. I just got it in black. I also got a jumpsuit, Nike jumpsuit. I have a gray one, so I needed a black one. I used to have like a bunch of black jogging pants and sweatpants and hoodies, and I have no idea where any of them went. So I got these. This was a must, almost an essential. And then the next thing, I was so excited. So yeah, oh, that was it from Polo. Then the Nike suit. The next thing, like I had for a while, I got this. I didn't get this for Black Friday. I got this before Black Friday, but I got this little cable knit. I mean, I don't know if it's cable knit, but it's like this knit hoodie, zip up hoodie from Kohl's for $11. It was on sale, and it's so cute. I love it. It's comfortable. I wore it on the plane and I wasn't cold, so it's thick enough to wear, you know, on the plane. And when I was in Florida, well, that's where I was. I went to Florida Black Friday shopping in Florida. Okay? So when I was there, I found these. And I found these in Forever 21, and y'all, like, they are the perfect match. Like, you would think that I bought, like, I just love when I find stuff and it like matches perfectly with something else. Like, it's the same exact material. It has the same exact ribbing on it. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's just perfect. $15. I didn't say prices, but I'm just telling you that these were like 15. This is 11, so I got a set for almost $20, which is good because they be trying to run it up when you get a set. Love that for me. Okay. Then I got some earrings. Where are they? I got some earrings because, you know, I'm a silver girly. So I got some silver earrings. Just these cute little knot, like chain ones. And then I got these aluminum hoop ones. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then I'm in Nordstrom's. And these are like a little bit more, like, you know, on the pricey side. But I wanted to treat myself. So I got these sunglasses. They're dirty because I already wore them, but yeah. They also had them in a matte black, but I got the ones with the silver because the silver. Okay, then my earrings. Okay, you get the vibe. I'm a dark winter, and yeah, if you didn't know, you should do a color analysis. I'm going to do a video on that, but yeah. Did my color analysis. I'm a dark winter, so black is my color, okay? And also, silver is my color. So we had to get the silver earrings to go with the sunglasses, okay? Also, to go with the sunglasses, I did a little damage, and I got me some.
Okay. You can decide how much you're going to pay. But minimum payment, you need to go to website or install it. Or you call them, yes.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Perfect.
So I'm in earrings. Diamond earrings to go with the sunglasses. It's all part of the plan, okay? How cute. Like, you're really not gonna be able to tell me nothing when I have these sunglasses on and my fur coat and my little earrings. My little, y'all, funny story. Okay, so I went and these were actually not the ones that I was gonna get. I was gonna get some other ones. They weren't princess cut. It was another, I think they were like emerald cut. Yeah, I tried them on and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go get them. And I saw these and I thought these were the ones. And I was like, oh, okay, they're right there. And I tried them on. I was like, wait, that's not what I had. Then the lady, she was like, when one of the ladies was checking me out, she was like, where did you get these? And I was like, oh, in a box right there. And she was like, oh, a lady came in here and she was looking for princess cut earrings because she had a princess cut ring and she wanted her earrings and her ring to match. And we looked all over and we did not see any. So these were just meant for you. I'm like, okay, girl, you convinced me. You did that little thing. What did it say? You did that one thing. You did that one little thing. Okay, you convinced me. So yeah, we got us some little diamond studs, honey, and they screw on the back. So all right, not gonna lose them. Alright, that's everything I got for Black Friday. Now I'm gonna show you what I got today, I guess. Today I went to Target and I got these, and they left the freaking got these. I thought these were so cute. They remind me of like Aerie or Anthropology, you know, like with the shorts, tights, and some boots or clogs. Okay, I seen some clogs that look really good, and it would look really good with this. I saw them on one of those sites. I don't know, remember if it was Poshmark or Thrifted or one of those sites, thrift sites. They have some Giuseppe clogs and they will look so good with this. But if I can get my hands on those, then I saw some Michael Kors clogs too that will look just as good. So that's the vision for those. Okay, and then we got this jumpsuit, because if we see a pink jumpsuit, we have to get it. Okay, it's just a rule. right? I love this jumpsuit because it's kind of like distressed a little bit. It's kind of like has this worn look, so it has like this gray tint to it, and I love it. It has the wide leg bottoms, right? And it has pockets. The pants have pockets. And this is the hoodie to match. I love the zip ones because a lot of times I don't feel like pulling my hoodie over my head. So if I could find a hoodie with the zip, then I'm doing the hoodie with the zip. Okay. And then I got the viral hooded fur jacket, as though I needed another fur jacket. I have too many to count. But yeah, it's so cute and it's so warm and it has pockets and the hood is massive. It just gives you like luxe vibes, you know what I mean? Because who is she gonna be? With the earrings? With the earrings? Sorry, I'm sick. You're not gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? You already can't tell me anything. Now I'm gonna show you what I got before Black Friday, because I ordered some jackets off of Fashion Nova before Black Friday because I was too impatient and too impulsive to wait until they were half off for Black Friday or whatever the sale was for Black Friday. I got them before because, yeah, impatient. It's a lot. Kinda. They're just heavy. First, I got these because I have them brown and I wanted the black ones too. Can you guys see them? They like have the strings all the way up and down, and I'm just gonna cut it to make it shorter, but yeah, love these. They fit so nice. And then this is like the star of the show. I got this trench fur coat and I love it, and I got so many compliments on it, although because I wore it the other day, like even men were like, oh my gosh, I love that coat. So like, yeah, it's like that, but it sheds crazy. I had fur in my lip gloss, in my mouth, all over my jumpsuit. It was disgusting, but yeah, I guess she just needs to shake off a little bit. Okay, I got this bomber. Faux leather bomber jacket. I saw one in Target today, which is really cute. It has the collar, and I kind of want that one more, but you can't return anything off of Fashion Nova, so guess I'm stuck with this one. Yay! It's cute though. Then I got this one because wine is the color of the season. So we got this. She's cute. She's gonna go good with my jeans, gray outfits, black outfits. She's her. I like her. And I'm gonna do, you guys will see like the jackets a little bit clearer in a video because I'm gonna record all the jackets and do a cute little TikTok video so you can see them on there. 2. Love this. I was expecting it not to be cherry red, but she's actually kind of like, she's it. Like, she is so cute. And she's thick. Like, this is low-key, like, this is great quality. I have another thing from, like, the Luxe, the Fashion Nova Luxe. This is giving Luxe. This is not giving Luxe. However, this is on the Luxe. This is so paper thin. Like, I feel like I could poke my nail through it. But, so I don't even know how this made it to their Luxe. That's crazy. But this right here, so cute. I mean, I like it though. Don't get me wrong. It's gonna be cute when I pair it with my outfits. This, like, do you see like the little clasp? How it's like this bedazzled gold clasp that you just, and it snaps. It's magnetic. Love her. Can't wait to wear her. Okay, that was it from Fashion Nova. I'm running through this, y'all, because I already recorded this once and I had all the energy in the world. It's now 3 a.m. and I realized that it was recorded in slow-mo. So I'm kind of like rushing through it so I can go to bed. Hopefully the next one I'll be more energetic because I was in the original video. These are capris. Love these. They give 90s vibe. I have the perfect outfit that I'm gonna wear with them. I just didn't get to wear it in Cali because we didn't really go to like, you know, like we were did more walking type things. Okay. Then I got this. Of course they came separately, but I got the little micro shorts. Love these. They look so good on. And then this little top. I plan on wearing it with my fur jacket. That little long fur coat. It's gonna be too cute. And then I got this cardigan that is so sick of me. This cardigan is tired of seeing me coming. Sephora. This stuff fell out. I got these. Me and my mom are gonna try these. These are Pore Remedy Purifying Mud Masks that we want to try. So I got two. One for me and one for my mom. That's for their Sephora sale. Those I got before the Sephora sale, but this stuff I got for the Sephora sale. I have this Skin Fix glycolic renewing scrub. I heard really good things about this because my skin is very problematic. Okay, so I'm trying to get her right and tight before the summer, so we're gonna start with her because I heard really good things about it. Okay, it's an exfoliant for your body. The skin products with more skin products. We have Paula's Choice. All the girls rave about this, so I finally got her. Okay, this is the exfoliant. I hope she works. Raving about Amika, so we're gonna try her. I got the small bottle just so I can try before I get the whole bottle, because I might not have the same kind of hair that y'all have. And then I got the Olaplex gift set because it has the full size oil in it and I really wanted the oil, and the oil is like $30, I think. I don't know, y'all correct me. But this is $42, so I was like, if that's $30 and it's $42, I'm getting one product for $10. And it comes with the Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in styling treatment and moisturizer. So we got the little dual pack of that. And that's all we got from Sephora. And that is it, girlies. I am so sorry that we had to rush through that because I'm so tired. I can't even keep my eyes open.